Hey guys, it's been a minute. Oh, yeah, there we go. It's been a minute here, but a little sickness through the house, so hopefully that's all done with now. But anyway, coming at you with the tune. This tune is called Beside Her. We were listening to a song about it going about a mile a minute. I'm sold to the lady and I want to take her hand. By now them shots are really getting me in there. So give me two-step, cause I'm a simple man. Then that song came on, it said somebody like you. Then you led the way, there's nothing I can do. Give me a back porch, an old tree swing. Give me a song that we used to sing. Bringing a case of beer and a boat that don't hold water. Throwing a line out when it gets dark. Hear the twanging of an old guitar. It's you and me, the stars, and open fire. As long as I'm beside her. We had a couple more drinks and a few more after that. I'm listening to the oldies and I love to bring it back. Forever and ever, you know there's Mama Try. And don't break my Yankee breaky heart this time. Give me a back porch, an old tree swing. Give me a song that we used to sing. Bringing a case of beer and a book that don't hold water. Throwing a line out when it gets dark. You hear the twanging of an old guitar. It's you and me, the stars, and open fire. As long as I'm beside her. On a train bound from nowhere, she said, remember when I start walking your way, and here we go again. Give me a back porch, an old tree swing. Give me a song that we used to sing. Bringing a case of beer and a book that don't hold water. Throwing a line out when it gets dark. You hear the twanging of an old guitar. It's you and me, the stars, and open fire. You can take me anywhere, I won't be higher. As long as I'm beside her. As long as I'm beside her. Thank you guys.